show door. Wait. Yeah.
Smart TV. This is smart TV now.
It's alright.
Electronics.
This is the most recent version of Brookhaven.
Hello. So, I'm back. So, my sister. Tagalog tayo ngayon. Hey, ate. Oh. Ano to? Live, syempre. Ay, hindi ko alam. Video to.
This is the most recent
Sakalin
version of
kita dyan
Brookhaven, the one we know and love. But how would the first version of this game be? Leave it to me, as in today's video, I'll be
I'm
showing you guys
so
all the
happy.
things that were removed from Brookhaven. The first thing we'll talk about
Oh,
actually
ngayon.
is the launch of this
Ubo-ubo ka
game. I
ngayon,
think
ha?
everyone knows the menu we have on the side.
Ayan,
You can
isa.
grab some
Ano ba
items,
tong
change our
video na to?
character, or
Sarayin
even
ko
spawn
to.
in vehicles. It actually looks something
Hoy!
like this. They were just a little bit different, with some color put into
Hoy,
it. The menus
gumising ka.
inside
Subunutan
were changed a
kita.
bit too. They were more simplistic. You can even find the old CPR animation in here. It was actually used
Sorry
for
na,
role-playing if you were
sorry na,
reviving other
te.
players, but it was sadly removed from the game a few years ago. Even if
Aray.
this one's old, it's not as old as the one I'll be showing right now. Looking at this video from 2020, you can see just how colorful it was before. Everything was more bold and the lines were thicker. They also used a lot of that light blue color. If you
Ala,
play
natatanggol
Brookhaven, you already know the
sapatos.
three
Ay,
communities there are in
chinil.
town. There's Blackhawk, the Oaks,
Ano
and
ba?
Last and Crown Point. What you probably
Ubo
didn't
ka na
know
ng
is that an
ubo.
older version there
Lagot
actually
ka,
was a
te.
fourth community, which was called
Ah.
Bridgeway. You
O,
can
yan,
find it right
deserve.
around here. Before this tunnel, a whole
Yan,
community was
deserve.
here.
Kakaalam
And if you
ko
ask why
si
they took
Jan.
it out, I
Kasi
really
malikot.
don't know. In this video, you can pretty much see it's in the same place I just showed you guys. They just had a couple few houses on the left side, and it just connected back from one of the other communities. This one right here. So yeah, they
Lagi mo na ako natatama na. Sumbong kita kay nanay.
we're talking about communities. You know Blackhawk? It really wasn't how we
Huh?
know it now. It didn't even used to be here.
Ano, ate?
Blackhawk was
Nampasin
actually
kita.
right in front of the public pool. It may not make sense, but look at that. The
Ay,
sign is
naku,
right
talaga
there. There wasn't
natatanggal.
much there. You can only fit about 4 houses in here. By the way, the houses
Hello.
right here are still fully in the game.
Ate,
Looking
kasi
inside,
ang
they don't seem to
arte-arte ang
really have changed at
OA.
all. Even the trailer still looks as it is
Ano?
today. You can even see
Hali
the
ka nga
outfitting has
dito.
the same colors as the menus as well. And just to prove that we have this video from some
ano?
years ago,
Tulala
there
ka
really
dyan.
wasn't much space for homes in there at
Tulog
all.
na nga ako,
Another
ilang
removed thing
oras
that you
na,
probably
te.
didn't notice. You may not
Bala ka,
remember, but there
ganda.
weren't only these games in the arcade before. Right in this empty
Ito.
space, there were actually some stairs for you to go to the
Aray.
second floor. And as you can
Grabe
see,
naman
it
to.
was removed. In this older version, you can see it right
Wait
there.
lang.
It actually
Wait,
took us to a
kuha
little
ko lang
birthday
to.
room, which was just
Malaking
a little
TV
place
ko.
for you to make your birthday
May
party.
ilaw kasi
The
itong
stairs were moved
malaking
to the
TV ko.
outside, but they
Yan.
still
Sa
leave a nice
liwanag
little
pa na.
party room. If you compare it to the older one, I think it really looks a lot better. But nowadays, it isn't just a party room we
Wala na
have.
tong
We can
flashlight.
also turn it into a tanning salon, or you can even have a nice
Okay.
breakfast restaurant. So it's better than before. It's 3
Matulog
in
na
1.
kaya
Not
ako.
the stores we have today. Before we
Oo,
had the
matulog
cleaners, it
ka
was
na, te.
basically one of those laundry places for your clothes. I talked about it before in a previous video.
Tignan mo kasi mata-mata, pulang-pula na. Oo na, mamaya na ako. Huwag kang ang chismosa, baka sabunutan kita dyan. Ay. And I'm going to drink water. O, maliligo lang ako. Wait. Wala ka ng isang baso. Diyan ka muna. Yan. Ah! Ay, nako. Kuya natanggal. Ay, saban niya sa... Sorry na. Nawala yung ilaw. Nag-flashlight on. Maro, wag kang papansin. Ito talaga bumaksak. Sorry kapag lagi nagbabaksak. Shout out. Walang shout out tayo. Maro! Isa pa talaga. Lipad ko sa'yo. O kaya sinelas. Maro! Ano ba? Yan ko na rin daw Yan, naliligo na ako sa bathtub. Lang nga. Bathtub pa ba ito? Yan. Lang nga. Ay na. Hoy, kapatid. Oh. Oh, naliligo ako. Itong klaseng ligo yan. Uy. Anong klaseng to? Sumbong kita kay mama. Uy, bag. Oh, yan, deserve na laglag. Eh, magpaprank na daw. Kakain na. Hoy! Ay, parang kung sinasaliban, no? Yung sa likod mo, te. Ay, hindi ako natatakot. Ang dami mo kuto. Ay, mahiya ka naman yun. Ang ikli nga ng buhok mo. Parang kung kinatay. Ay, grabe ka naman, te. Ay, ito nga. Alay ka nga. Wait lang nga. Ay, ka nga. Hindi ko sinabi nung kakain ka pa. Oh, naka-video ka pa, oh. Video ka pa. Ay, ka nga, babae ka. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Hoy, nagbablog ako, te. Halika nga, bata ka. Diyan ka. Bye-bye. Ibang episode na lang panoodin nyo. Bye.
Susunduin ba kayo?
Bye. Ibang episode na lang panoodin nyo. Ano ba ito? Hello, te. Build na build ko. Sige na, bye.